November greenhouse tour, growing vegetables in the winter. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new here, please follow me so that you get updated with all upcoming videos. Hello, it's November, so let's do a quick tour of the greenhouse in November. Outside, everything is dead except winter plants. Let me just show you outside here before we go inside. But you can see outside here, most of the plants are dead. You have right there is a kale. Kale is can survive the cold weather, and they can still do well. But mostly everything out here, apart from like kale and a few herbs that are still surviving, everything outside here is dead. Even the containers that we have out here, they're all the plants are gone. So let's go inside the greenhouse to show you how greenhouse is still doing great. As you can see, we just harvested it yesterday, so there's a lot of space. You can really see. I should have taken a video before they harvested yesterday, but you can see they harvested quite a few different things. So what I'm doing in the greenhouse is I have a few 50-gallon barrels like these over here. I have them filled with water. So during the day when the temperature is really hot, the water absorbs the heat and slowly release it at night when the temperature falls. So that's what's been keeping the greenhouse going. So far I have just a small heater right here just in case it goes below 40 degrees, but it hasn't. I think we have had like 2 nights where it went below 35. So but so far everything else, you can see the vegetables are still doing great. So I'll say maybe if the weather continues like this, we might be able to go till maybe November, December and January, but I know it's gonna start getting very cold very soon, and I might have to seal some of these shelves, maybe seal these 2 shelves right here just to keep it going so that we can continue harvesting some vegetables and some herbs throughout this period. But when it gets to probably around December, January, the temperature, what I'm gonna do is move a few things into my grow tent in the basement, but the rest of it is we're gonna harvest it, and the rest of it is gonna go. We're just gonna let it go. So you can see some herbs are doing well over here. Same with the water leaf and the bitter leaf. They're all doing great. I have some peppers over here that are also the peppers came out late, but at least now they're producing. They've been growing and growing throughout the summer, and they just started producing. So we harvested some peppers also this yesterday. So we're good. We're good with that. I know most of them are gonna go. They're gonna die very soon when the temperature continues to fall. But so far the greenhouse is good. We're harvesting stuff, and things are growing. They keep growing. So temperature so far this year has not been too bad. So we have not spent a lot of money either heating the greenhouse or doing anything special apart from the containers of water that we have. That is it. It's been good so far. So hopefully we continue to see better weather like this, and then we might be able to maybe get rid of the rest of them probably around December and January. You can see we have a garden egg here that went to seeds. So hopefully we'll get some seeds from the garden egg right here. We have a few peppers over there that are also still coming along. In the back over here, let me show you, we have some bell peppers. We harvested a few this week, but we still have a few that we can harvest. So, and they're still thriving. You can see they're even producing a lot of them. These other peppers are producing a lot of seeds right now, a lot of peppers right now. I don't know if they're gonna be able to last in terms of the temperature dropping. So but we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned for that. I'll let you know how it goes. But if we're able to maybe harvest half of them, that would be great. So down here we have more pepper, we have anchia right here. So like I said, some of these items, maybe next couple of days I'm gonna try to see if I can move a few of them. That's what I usually do in the winter. I move a few of them, especially the bitter leaf and the anchia that I don't really have a lot of seeds to them. I try to bring them in so that way I have seeds that I can use them for next growing period. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the greenhouse. If any tips or any ideas or any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. We have a few of the water leaf that we did not harvest them in time, and they just kept going very long. So same with these ones over here. You can see the stems so big and long. So we harvested a few of them already, the leaves, but we still have the others coming out. So we're gonna harvest those maybe in a week or two. We should be able to harvest, get another harvest from the greenhouse. But you can see everywhere, even down here, we have quite a few containers of either bitter leaf or becang that is still doing well. Even behind there we have bitter leaf that is also still doing well. So hopefully we're gonna be able to get them going and be able to harvest some stuff. So over here we have some herbs that dropped in here. You can see they're already germinating already. A few of these that dropped in here, they're already germinating already. So hopefully we're gonna be able to see how far it goes, and maybe some of those herbs, like the temperature, they might be able to last much longer than the tropical plants that we have. And right now, in terms of watering, I water the greenhouse, mostly the ones on the top, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, because it's not as hot as in the summer. So I just do watering a couple of times. I just check. You can check with your hand like this. You can see this one is a little bit dry. You can check with your hand like that, and sometimes you can look at it and you know that, okay, this one is dry. The ones down here are much better. They're much they're much better. They're not, the ones on top get a lot of heat on top here, and they dry faster. So I keep an eye on that. But so far the garden greenhouse is doing okay. So hopefully this is what we have so far in November, and like I said, it's doing great so far. So hopefully temperature doesn't go far below 30s at night, then we should be fine. You can see this ones right here. This is the bitter leaf right here. I'm gonna have to cut some of them and use the stems in the spring to grow, but I'm gonna have to bring them in to be able to do that. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.